Chart O, verb anatomy of to play, indicative mood, active voice. Play, played, playing, played. First person singular, second person singular, third person singular, first person plural, second person plural, third person plural. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. The first form is simple as can be. The next three forms are just as easy, you'll see. Perfect form of to have plus past participle progressive form of to be plus present participle perfect progressive form of to have plus been plus present participle. That is the end. Simple tense, first person singular. I play, I played, I shall play. Second person singular. You play, you played, you will play. Third person singular. He, she, or it plays, he, she, or it played, he, she, or it will play. First person plural. We play, we played, we shall play. Second person plural. You play, you played, you will play. Third person plural. They play, they played, they will play. Perfect tense, first person singular. I have played, I had played, I shall have played. Second person singular. You have played, you had played, you will have played. Third person singular. He, she, or it has played, he, she, or it had played, he, she, or it will have played. First person plural. We have played, we had played, we shall have played. Second person plural. You have played, you had played, you will have played. Third person plural. They have played, they had played, they will have played. Progressive tense, first person singular. I am playing, I was playing, I shall be playing. Second person singular. You are playing, you were playing, you will be playing. Third person singular. He, she, or it is playing, he, she, or it was playing, he, she, or it will be playing. First person plural. We are playing, we were playing, we shall be playing. Second person plural. You are playing, you were playing, you will be playing. Third person plural. They are playing, they were playing, they will be playing. Perfect progressive tense. First person singular. I have been playing, I had been playing, I shall have been playing. Second person singular. You have been playing, you had been playing, you will have been playing. Third person singular. He, she, or it has been playing, he, she, or it had been playing, he, she, or it will have been playing. First person plural. We have been playing, we had been playing, we shall have been playing. First person plural, or second person plural. You have been playing, you had been playing, you will have been playing. Third person plural. They have been playing, they had been playing, they will have been playing.